Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Lemlist and Warmy, to help you decide which of these two platforms wins the cold outreach. So to get started with the quick overview about the Lemlist and Warmy. So Lemlist is a cold email outreach and a sales engagement platform designed for businesses wanting to automate personalized email sequence, track result, and boost reply rate. Known for its high personalization features, Lemlist is popular among sales teams, agencies, and lead generation probes. Talking about Warmy on the other side, Warmy focus on especially on emails, warm-up, and deliverability optimization as well, ensuring your email lands in the inbox, not spam. It deals for businesses that heavily rely on cold outreach and want to remain a strong sender reputation. And talking about what these two platforms are best for, so Lemlist is best for sales teams, agencies, lead generation, expert needing personalized cold email automation. Then talking about Warmy is best for business and individual focused on email warm-up and improving deliverability. So talking about the overall conclusion about this platform, so if you want a full cold outreach solution with automation, personalization, and engagement features, just simply go for Lemlist. And on the other side, if your main priority is improving email deliverability and inbox placement together with a outreach tools, just go for Warmy. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.